Hey guys, today we are going to be making Play-Doh slime. I've made this very much times. And we are going to be mixing this into slime. Let's make it focus. For curly coarse hair, it's a cream supreme and it's from Dove because I wouldn't be using it if it wasn't from Dove. And we're just gonna mix that in there again.
Master Fang. Oops, wrong way.
We are going to make a tiny version of the slime. And then we're going to be doing a slime review in the same video. So, yeah.
Catboy stays calm and follows his plan to rescue his friends.
Oh, shit. Okay, so it is back, y'all. Look at that.
As long as I have it, you PJ Masks don't stand a chance. Don't you try throwing that sword, Ninja.
So we are done with that, and now we are going to add the real slime in here.
Maybe you aren't good enough. It's too beautiful for them, right, Ninja?
We're gonna add it in there, and yeah. This is our result after a while of mixing. Right away, it didn't actually mix in very well, but now it is starting to, and it didn't stretch very well.
Welcome back, Master Fang fans, and special thanks to whoever returned my sword.
Yeah, whoever that was. Whoa! You haven't quite got that big yet, but don't be mad. Yeah, no need to get angry when you mess up, right? Don't worry, I'll just keep trying to
And it's super stretchy. And it's sort of kind of pokeable. So, yeah.
Catboy versus RoboCat. Yes! Super scissor jump! Yeah! And swirling.
You think it's gonna break, but it just keeps on going like it's one of those slimes. And I think it's kind of pokeable. Let's try to make a swirl with it.
Whoa! You really threw that one, Greg, straight into my garden! There it is! Huh? Guys!
Okay,
Why are you
that
hiding?
didn't
It's
work
not
out.
funny! Greg and Amaya wouldn't have just left these. What's this? A circuit board? It must be Romeo! This is a mission for the PJ Masks! Well, one of us anyway. This PJ Mask is on his way into the night to save
let's see if we can poke it.
Ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your
I still want a hot pocket right now.
Connor becomes
So this is our Play-Doh slime, and let's see if we add more of this. Let's see if it'll like tighten it up a little bit.
From a robot? I knew it was Romeo. Don't worry, Greg and Amaya. Catboy's coming to save you.
Let's add like a lot.
Cat ears. A circuit board? You mean this? My circuit board. Don't be too confident, kitty cat. Soon my Bobo Owl and Bobo Gecko will put you
It looks like boogers.
and I'll rule the world and you'll never stop me again.
I thought it was gonna completely change. Let's try adding some slime.
Powers. Don't worry, I'll get your pajamas. Looking for these, kitty little boy? Like me.
Okay,
Uh-oh.
so it is a tad a bit of slime. Let's put that in there. Last time at first it wouldn't
Catboy's coming back for you.
budge and it wouldn't mix together, but I knew I could do it.
Well, I'm sure Catboy is on his way back here to fix Web, so keep your eyes open. Look, they took Catboy's cat car. What have they done with him? He should have let us help. I know we can, even without our powers. But give me your hairpin so I can unscrew this bar. Let's take this apart. Sizes! So nice of you to find just what I need, Catboy. Now that I have the missing piece, I can activate my Robo Cat. Now nothing can stop me. The PJ Masks are finished. Finished! I gotta do something. Huh? Yeah!
It doesn't stretch that much. Let's try to add some more slime and see if we get anywhere. And let's try to add some of this in the slime. Let's try a different recipe. Okay, let's do it. Oh, okay. Alright. Let's add more.
It'll stop the robots. Let's do it. Go help the other robots, RoboCat. No! Sleeping lizard! Which of you are the real Gecko and Owlette? I'm the real Owlette.
And
I'm real Gecko. I am. Now what, kitty little boy? You can't tell them apart. Your robots may have superpowers, but they're not friends like we are. Owlette, Gecko, catch! Taking cartwheels! Swirling spin! Huh? See, Romeo? I know who my friends are. Ready for a special move? Yeah!
let's see how far it can stretch.
Stop them!
The other ones were a big hit. I don't know what happened.